Hey, Leo from MarineMax, welcome back. Today you join me in front of a brand new in-stock 2025 Harris Solstice 250. This is a tri-tune boat finished in the matte blue with black accent stripe. It's got the black rail package and it's got the Ultra Tower up top. This is a very well-equipped boat, again, tri-tune package with a 300 horsepower Mercury V8 Verado out back. Let's climb aboard and check out the interior. Stepping aboard this Solstice 250, you got a couple notable options back here on the transom. This boat has the submersible swim seat that you see here that flips down in the water and makes a nice place to hang out. I've also equipped it with the ski tow bar here. This is rated for 1,000 pounds, a great setup on this boat, in conjunction with our safety chains and railings on either side. This boat's gonna have a 4-step telescoping ladder there, stainless steel, and of course that 300 horsepower V8 Verado that we discussed earlier. Stepping inside the boat, this boat is going to be in the SLDH layout. It's one of our most popular. We've got the sun lounger back here with 3 positions where you can go forward facing, rear facing, and totally flat. Another thing nice on the Solstice is this seat back here will flip up when you have this flat and allows you to lounge forward. Great storage underneath here that goes all the way through. And this boat's also going to have a dedicated cooler under that rear seat. Plenty of cup holders back here as well, USB and USB-C chargers, and then your passengers are gonna have stereo controls on the sun pad and swim up controls down on the back corner there. As we walk in, I mentioned outside, this boat has the Ultra manual fold tower with the bimini that you see there. Great setup here, folds down nice and easily, and it is pre-wired for tower speakers should you choose to add them later. Again, SLDH layout, it's gonna have the dual helm chairs. Both of these swivel slide and recline. Got great armrests on both. Your co-captain's gonna have 2 cup holders there with a speaker. And then over on your captain's side, this boat is gonna be a Deluxe Tech 2 package boat, meaning 2 Simrad NSX series screens. It's gonna have a JL Audio Platinum stereo and some great lighting as well, you see in the pictures. This boat's got the Mercury digital throttle and shift for that 300. We've also got a wireless phone charger down below. Something exclusive on the Solstice and up is going to be this raised helm platform that you see here. It's a great setup, stays out of your way, and gives you some great visibility over your windshield and forward of your passengers. Coming up even further, this boat's going to have the ski locker in the middle. It's part of that tri-tune package. Great storage space in here for fenders, dock lines. We've got the cover in there right now. On the subject of storage, just forward here on either side, you're going to have some awesome storage under these front seats. Great space for life jackets, other items. Your front passengers are also going to have 4 cup holders on either side, in addition to USB and USB-C chargers. Solstice and up is also going to have flip-down armrests back here for these passengers. Up at the front of the boat, you're going to have a little bit more storage under these corner seats. Great spot to put your anchor. This 2025 Solstice 250 is in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you like what you saw, give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by today. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.